guys, Aniq here. So this is my cousin Ershman. So today we're going to be unboxing a radio-controlled Chevrolet car. So now let's get unboxing with the car. So Ershman, you want to pull this out? Okay, pull it out. He's going to pull it out. Okay. So this is how the car looks. Okay. So we'll have to turn these and pull them out in order to get the car free. Okay. So let's put it over there. And this is how the car looks like. Okay. It's big. Okay. And now let's get the remote out. Same thing with the remote. Yep. So this is the remote. Okay. So now, in here comes the batteries you'll need, and the this straw to put on this wire on the car. Okay. So we are done putting the batteries in the car, and we put the straw. So I'm gonna first drive the car and show you. Ershman, okay? I'll go first, then you. So the car goes really smooth, and it makes a weird noise. Oh no! Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and please like this video. Bye!
Bye!